that for you talk bad for internet.
I
3 years now me a bad for internet and now nothing can.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is BirdB, and today we're gonna be continuing on with the 41 BUSSHEAD situation. But before we get into that video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. It helps us out a bunch and it doesn't cost you anything. But before we get into the video, here's a word from our sponsors, Gentleman's Essentials. Is hair loss stressing you out? Look no further than Gentleman's Essentials. If you're experiencing a receding hairline, bald spots, or have thinning hair, Gentleman's Essentials has the solution for you. Gentleman's Essentials is a leading provider of minoxidil, a clinically proven hair loss treatment that is FDA approved and used by millions of users worldwide. Visit Gentleman's Essentials on Instagram to learn more and start your journey to a fuller head of hair. This product works just as well for women. With Gentleman's Essentials, you will regain your confidence. Thanks again to Gentleman's Essentials for sponsoring this video. Okay, here's a clip of Blamdem telling Pops YG that they should not have been calling up his name. Take a listen for yourself.
You're not going. So that for you talk bad for internet. I 3 years now me a bad for internet and now nothing can do me. So all of you say me a clown. All of you say me a informer, me never got caught for a man. Me can't be informer if you talk it out. Informer got caught and go to police. Me never go to police yet. I talk facts for ya. So anybody boy say me a informer, I true then I like when me talk facts for their friend them. Batty boy, me have my money in a real life.
Blamdem, me informer, pussy.
I waste man, batty boy.
So Blamdem. So Blamdem, no man, top argue the man, bro. Cause me know he dog know what going on. Blamdem. Yeah, you know me I say?
Bro, me tell you, your phone stand up in no guy dog final. Me not tell you nothing wrong with that, right thing you say. Boy, the man never call my name, me not like that, cause bro, alright, Pops. You know, so for all me not text set for the man them, me done with the man them, come here, say me not give them no hype. And them a text set for me, through them send me viral. That is should have call me name, that go say, oh.
Viewers and subscribers, please do share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now, on to the next clip. Social media users big up Pops YG for attending BUSSHEAD funeral.
Pops YG, big up yourself because there's not a lot of friends like that, or there's not a lot of youths like that. Zane, we see you represent a BUSSHEAD funeral. What that show me say the rest of them didn't rate BUSSHEAD because many people down there were top ranker. And around Jamaica we are top ranker. They could have gone. Zane, go support the youth. Pops YG, we see you. Anna, with all due respect. You know what me do? I sit down on the internet and I analyze something and say the internet is one big fake playground. Full of fake people, full of fake friends and deal with you way. Then, and just certain people alone favoritism go for. You get what I'm saying? Because I you like BUSSHEAD, you know, Bolano should have did it, you know. I show on the face, you know. I give the support, you know. Pops YG are a real friend. Let me tell you about friend now. Where I know friend. The name so-called friend. Zane, that's why I stop par with people. You're not supposed to see no other people are coming in my car. More than me, man, and Pitney. Me, man, and Pitney. Yes. You're not supposed to see no friend are come in my car. With me, say me and them are going nowhere. No. Then time they done, play time over. None of them sitting there can go on again. Me not deal with friend. Me not too like friend. Friend a failure. Let me tell you how friends stay. Then come call you and want you give them strength. When is the time for them get the strength from you? You can't find them. Weeks you don't see pussy them. You see when you forget them a strength, at one time they come ask you, you know. And you're gone, you know. Where you think them are to use you because you have care and then none. Or probably them are saying you would have sitting where them have our imam sitting where you don't have and want a new style that they just to get you out. Really and truly, you not gonna get no strength from feet out. Look good no man. So look there. Pops YG, big up. And respect here, sir. They didn't rate BUSSHEAD. BUSSHEAD, anywhere you're there, just look good. If I lie, and you like me, I tell you. That's it, they rate your BUSSHEAD. Remember, you know, you run me off of your life, you know. Dig me off when you see me and kiss your teeth. And I'm me up here. I represent for you now, youth. And she run me off, me I go ready. I want to know what me do bonfire down. So it look like no mindset never straight. See? Because I look like I call Batty boy over there go no things to. Because if a youth like me, you know, over here bonfire, you know, daddy. And uno come and a match with play and nah. But me soon play with some other man we call up everybody name, you know. And me soon play with some man, you know, we a kiss off a pick, you know. Me soon play with some man we a me don't talk. But youth respect still. But me just show you say the TikTok fraternity never rate you. That's why me no come beg ratings on this, because I know favoritism full of Jamaica. And I don't rate you until you look like them are reach somewhere or have something pussy. That's how it is. You know belly has. If I then them belly, then would not play with BUSSHEAD. And then belly make them did rate BUSSHEAD. No in the day, then not rate him. Listen, later will be greater. You to be careful. Don't giggy with them and bow them friend. No. Remember, and everybody glad to see everybody arise. You have some man want to rise alone. So it's not everybody want to see him brother rise and him done arise already. You know, you have some man at them alone for rise. And you for run come to them. You just remember that. Listen, later it will be greater. Pops YG, honorably here, sir. Yo, boss said I just saw it go. You see, say facts, man. But they say the youth. And one of them there, you know, wallet. Tire.
People, please do share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now, in the next clip, we're gonna see where Pops YG is gonna try to clear his name from what Gotti said in the previous video when they said that Nicki Minaj sacrificed BUSSHEAD. Take a listen.
Well, Miss Nicki Minaj, you know if you send me no gift, you know. Cause me no stand like them what me and tell you say.
Say, you know, say, you know, if you don't want no gift.
You see when Gotti had this your baby, listen, let me talk to him. Cause I'm gonna take piece off of Nicki. Nicki.
Talk, not saying there, you know, no respect for human of you.
Hold on. Well, as when Nicki would have said the Barbs, well, Barbs, I never said nothing about you, honey. When Gotti had this, yo, me tell Gotti say fi stop it. And me make sure I hide my face. And me no want nobody do me nothing. Cause all me see do Nicki Minaj help people and then them turn around and diss you.
Yeah, everybody where human help this human. Everybody. Yeah. Then can't even this human attack them attack. Cause the human not feel no way about them in ancient.
Yeah, so me not really understand what them say about your art. Me not really, you know what I mean by cause me not really do a live thing like them. So me not come on live, come chat people and me not involved in a mix up. See the Barbs all I give me. See the Barbs all I give me. So me make sure I tell the Barbs. Oh, me got it toppy. I like blood.
Yeah, boy, I got your batty boy, man. Me tell you, say my waist, man.
People, do tell me what you think about that down in the comment section below. And if you're still watching the video up until this point, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Now, on to the next clip. Pops YG says that Jayden should have been at BUSSHEAD's funeral. Take a listen.
Millions man TikTok and wanna we dead, bro. Say, wanna, I want more say calling now.
Bro,
1 hour.
show you.
1 hour, 1 hour. One of we teammate dead pan TikTok, bro. One of we co-worker dead pan TikTok, bro. One of foot on the co-worker.
One of contender them, the best contender
them dead pan TikTok, brother. No come, bro.
And when me look, me see some people that live, but Tops and Roses, suck on the mama.
You know enough people now hear this, you know, but we don't know if you do that, bro. Remember me telling you, brother, we don't know if you do that, bro. To me feel fuck up, not even. Brother, we don't know if you do that, bro. Call name. Call name.
Yo, me go call name, cause me not afraid of nobody.
Call name.
Me got to your call, Bumbleclot name. Wanna give me 1 minute?
Call name. Me not have to call any name, man. The whole of them, we say them up on TikTok and them are wrong. Cause suck out them mother. And me say so. Remember, me no need it, bro. And me done show no say me no need TikTok, bro. Look for me good. Me no rate to no, bro. You hear that?
6 TV, if you come down.
Me a millionaire. Yeah, man, I'm 6 TV.
You have to come down, go trim.
Hold on, 6 TV. 6 TV, Fred. 60, no, I come in, I want to come. 6 TV. You should have come my dog funeral. You won't know much care off a TikTok. You could have drive one and come with security. And me alone got a BUSSHEAD funeral. And my Benz in a pink. Let me tell you, me alone. And when God say if you dead, you go dead. 6 TV. Who else? Jayden.
Swiftly.
Jayden, you people them fi cancel you. You should have come my dog funeral, brother. Me no really business. You see me business?
Swiftly, you could have buy one ticket
Me no
same way.
business, me no business,
And forward
brother.
too.
Me no business, brother.
Because I see man forward at your party.
You can't chat to me, bro.
Yeah.
Business, bro.
And who again?
Cause you see from me lose me Benz and my sister wanna try bring me down. Me no like you, brother. Me no really business, brother. Call name, brother.
Please share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Anyways people, that's it for now. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it costs you nothing. Also, if you can, please support us on Patreon and don't forget to check out Gentleman's Essentials for all of your hair care products. Anyway people, that's it for now. Bird Nation, stay sharp.